Hey YouTube, so today is Wednesday, day 3 of week 2 in my prep, and I did something to my neck. I already have a slip disc and it was feeling better. It was actually like not bugging me, but then today, like right before my workout, I don't know if I turned wrong or if I slept wrong and just aggravated it, but it was really bugging me. I did get through my workout. I had hamstrings and booty today, so I got through it really well. And I remembered my lifting straps, so that was like a little win for me. So I was able to have a good grip and do a really good sumo deadlift. But then after that, I just kind of been sitting on the couch and it just really sucks. I gotta admit, like, my food today has not been on point. It just hasn't, because just like emotionally I'm so frustrated with my neck and that it's playing into my eating. So tomorrow I really gotta clean it up. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to work out. We'll see how I feel when I wake up. I might have to take a rest day, and that's okay. And if I do take a rest day, I'm going to lower my carbs a little bit, probably by like 25 grams. So not a drastic in lowering carbs, but I am going to lower them if I have a rest day tomorrow. Hi YouTube. So today's Thursday. My neck is still bugging me, so I'm having a rest day. Get down. No, 1 minute. I'm having a rest day because my neck is still really bugging me. Not as bad as yesterday, but I'm still not gonna be able to work out today. So since it's a rest day, I'm doing a lower carb kind of day. So for breakfast, I'm sipping on a protein shake. This is 2 scoops of protein, 2 scoops of collagen powder, blueberries, almond milk, and peanut butter. So this is my breakfast. On my macros, you don't need to be concerned with them because they're not for you. They're just for me and for my specific training and my body type and what I need. So I'm not gonna even share my macros with you. But just know that today is gonna be lower carb day, and I will share with you my meals for the day. So meal number 1 is a protein shake. Okay, so I'm on meal number 2. I'm gonna do some eggs and spinach, and I have bacon in the microwave right now. Like I said, today is a lower carb day, so not a whole lot of carbs today. So I'm gonna measure out my spinach, out my baby spinach, and then I'll input it into my FitnessPal, and I'm having 3 whole eggs. I like the whole egg, I like the yolk and everything. Egg whites, it just doesn't do it for me, and I feel like it's just, I'm missing out on some of the healthy fats and protein. So I'm gonna do 3 whole eggs. If you don't have a scale, highly recommend getting a scale. This is the one that I got. I got it off of Amazon and it was like 12 bucks. But this is super nice if you are really into your macros and you need to measure out certain food. This is super handy, and you can change the units to whatever you want. So if you want ounces or pounds, I go between grams and ounces. It just kind of depends. I'm gonna use everything. Seasoning is so good. And there we go. That's meal number 2. Eggs, spinach, bacon, and the everything bagel seasoning. Okay, we're on meal number 3. I'm gonna do kind of like a stir fry. So I'm having some chicken, cauliflower rice, and then I'm cutting up an onion and a pepper. Okay, so for the chicken, I get this, it's in the frozen section, and it's just like the pre-cooked chicken strips. So this is just in the freezer section at your grocery store, and I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do like 4.5 ounces of this. So I'm gonna measure it out. And then for my cauliflower rice, also freezer section. This one is my favorite. It's the medley, so it's got some peas and carrots and something else in it. I don't know, but it's super good, and I'm gonna eat this whole thing. So for this whole thing, it's still a low-carb meal. And this is just easier for me to digest rather than doing rice. Rice and pasta, stuff like that, that just messes with my stomach and I bloat like crazy. But having this has the same kind of texture like rice, but it's easier on my stomach. So this is why I have the cauliflower rice. So I'm gonna do this and the chicken and then the peppers and onions. And yeah, easy lunch. And I like to do a little drizzle of this orange sauce, just a little bit to give it a little bit more flavor.